Alright, so let's talk about hatch command and how we can use that hatch command to get our patterns. So let's start our command by pressing H and enter. And after pressing H, you will see we have AutoCAD is saying to pick internal point. So let's pick an enclosed area, that is our wall, and click inside that wall. So after clicking inside a wall, you can see that it turns our wall into something of white shade. So the pattern is going to be, uh, you know, how we can change the pattern of that uh, the wall. So here on the above, you can see we have a ribbon, and inside the ribbon we have the boundaries, the pattern, the properties, and origin, options, and close. So under the pattern section we have all the patterns for our architectural symbols like the bricks, the sand, concrete, and for our brick wall we'll shift our or we'll switch our ANSI 32 pattern, and once done you can see our pattern or that hatch has been done. But the hatch scale is too small, you can see the lines are very small. So what we can do is under properties we have the scale, and it says 1. So if I increase the scale, you can see we get the pattern as a bigger scale, and we can switch to any pattern for the sand. And if we want to add the concrete, let's switch from um, sand to concrete. Right now the scale is very big, so let's get back to the scale of 1, and you can see we have the concrete wall. If you want to add some other walls in that specific uh, hatch, so what we can do is we can click on the internal side of the wall, and that will also get hatched like this.